Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure Firefox is up to date and you're signed into your Firefox account. This keeps extensions synced. Once done, open the menu and choose Add-ons and Themes, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus it to go straight to the Add-ons Manager. You do this now so you can search and install without interruptions. Make sure browser updates finished and private windows aren't blocking permissions. Then use the search bar to find the extension name or a keyword to begin. Next, pick the extension and read the description, ratings, and recent update notes so you understand functionality and maintenance. You should inspect the permissions list to know what the extension can access. This protects your privacy. After that, click Add to Firefox and accept the install prompt. Some extensions ask to run on specific sites or tabs. Once installed, Firefox may show a short tutorial or icon. Use it to access options. Make sure to restart the browser if an extension requests it. Finally, configure the extension via its options or preferences page and pin its icon to the toolbar if you use it frequently. This speeds access. You should periodically update or remove unused extensions to prevent slowdowns and conflicts. If something breaks, disable all extensions and enable them one at a time to isolate the culprit. This is the fastest troubleshooting method. If an extension misbehaves after an update, roll back by reinstalling an older version or contact the developer through the add-on.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.